These will guide you in this in-depth meditation where you will be connecting your conscious mind with your heart's mind to bring benefits to your life and lifestyle. I want you to put your phone or any music on silent. Let your pet have a toy in another room. Make sure to let family members know that you are taking some quiet time to yourself and that it's essential that you are not disturbed. When you're ready, close your eyes and allow your breath to flow naturally. When thoughts arise, don't panic. Thoughts are normal. Having thoughts doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It's just what the mind does. Observe them and let them go on their way. Relax your body. Take in a deep, nourishing breath and imagine each part of your body relaxing. Loosen your body's tension. Begin feeling you are drifting in your deep inner microspace. You are now uniting with your heart. Now you are relaxed and feeling with your heart's energy. Calmly begin feeling positive thoughts. My heart is filled with gratitude for the light and the powers I have inside me. I feel comfortable in this body that my Creator gave me. I enjoy being myself without arrogance. I am relaxed, calm, and confident. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I feel great about myself. I am naturally a lovely person, inside and out. Goodness radiates from within me. I spread light and happiness wherever I go. I am a radiant being of light and love. My life is unfolding in perfection, and I am deeply grateful. I am a unique and compassionate human being. Loving kindness radiates from deep within. I radiate with positive energy. I am the light of my sacred heart, dissipating shadows wherever I go. When I believe in myself, so do others. I easily express my needs and feelings. I am my unique self, unusual, creative, and pleasing. I am an extraordinary person, centered in the universal flow of loving energy. There is no one else quite like me. I am happy, healthy, and wise. My life is blossoming in perfection. I use my emotions, thoughts, and challenges to lead me to deeper, more exciting places within myself. I have a great sense of humor and take myself lightly. I am unconditionally friendly to myself and others. For all these things and those unsaid, I am genuinely grateful. With this positive energy, I will awake to the human's world of thoughts, impurities, and emotions to transmit the divine light of my sacred heart. Now, please take a deep breath, because it is time to take the elevator to come up to your self-conscious. Open your eyes, and with a big smile, welcome the world you're living in. And thank the universe you live your life to the fullest. Thank you for listening to my guidance and for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Until next time, Joe De Alize.